Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Okay,
let's
see
see what
if Santa
did over here.
See if Santa.
Look at all this stuff so far. Look at that.
Look. I wanna look.
Okay, look.
Whoa. Tripping over stuff, Brady.
Look, what is that?
What's that?
Yeah.
Honey, can you turn this light on up here? Wow, Brayden, let's take a look around. Was Santa here? Was Brayden a good boy? Oh my goodness.
Okay, look more stuff. Tricycle.
Look. Wow, Brayden.
He wants to just sit down in the piano right now.
Yeah, he wants a piano, okay. Wow, Brayden must have been a really good boy. Uh-oh, I hear piano. What are you doing, kiddo?
Okay.
Do you like it? Oh, there we go. I thought somebody might like that. All these presents, and look at him. There he goes. Can you try to find the camera, please? What do you think, kiddo? Okay. Where are you going to go first? What are you going to do first?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Well, pick a present, honey. What do you can open presents?
He grabbed it and he took it away.
Open this door.
Opening the doors.
Open the doors are on his buddy.
Hmm.
Yellow.
You like it?
That's yellow. That's yellow.
What does that say?
Oh, yellow is where? There's one more yellow. Yeah. You want to go back? Where?
Oh, you like it? You like it?
Yeah, we went home from church yesterday.
Okay, honey.
Go right here.
Daddy wants you to play the
Play the
piano.
piano?
Good job, Daddy.
Ooh, you just fell against it.
I'm going over there. And puzzle over there too.
There's puzzles over there. Okay, Daddy, can you move that for him?
Which one?
He just wants it moved out. He wants to see it. Wow.
Oh. Oh, ladybug.
Brayden, what'd you do with the camera, honey? Did you look in this box over here? Look in his box.
What?
His box. That box. His.
A star. A circle.
Yeah. ABCs. It's on the other side, Brayden. Ooh. You can't even get around everything, huh?
A square. A triangle.
Yeah.
Circle.
Circle.
And a ladybug. A bird.
What's that?
Tricycle.
A tricycle. The tricycle's actually from Pappy.
No, that's pregnant.
It's Braden's now. You like it?
How the bird? I want to push.
You want to push? He wants a push, Daddy. There's Daddy.
I want to go this way.
Okay, let's see if we can make room for Braden.
Okay.